Alright, full disclaimer. Brownie Crap Ice Cream was not thought of by us. We actually learned it from our neighbors, huh? Yeah. So thank you, Danny and Matt. Can you say roll the intro? Mommy called you. You wanna go see what she wants? Okay. Go see what she wants really quick. Alright, so we are going to make Brownie Crap Ice Cream, and we're gonna do it in about 2 minutes. So, first thing we need is to get some brownie mix, and I just happen to have the really good stuff from Costco, so let's get it. So we are going to make this brownie mix the same as if we were going to put it in the oven, except for the egg. And the reason for that is because we are going to put this in the microwave. So let's get our oil, let's get our water, and let's get our mix put in the bowl. Now you can modify this recipe like I'm going to do here. I don't think I'm gonna need all that, so I'm only gonna use half the bag. I'm gonna put the other half in a Ziploc. Use an electric beater, fork, a whisk, whatever. I'm just gonna do kind of a makeshift job of stirring this up. There you have it, got it mixed. Now we're just gonna put this in the microwave and cook it for a minute or two until we get it a little bit chunky. Okay, so while that's cooking, let's dish up our favorite ice cream. For me, that happens to be mint chocolate chip. So let me go grab that. Got my assistant here. You gonna help? Ooh. Are we gonna show these people how to make it? Okay. Is that enough ice cream or do we need more?
I need more.
We need more. Okay. There we go. Is that good? Give them thumbs up. Thumbs up. And now, ready?
Whoa. Oh.
Oh my goodness.
I'll try it.
Hold on, we're gonna eat it here in just a second. Is that enough? There you go. All right, there you have it. Brownie Crap Ice Cream. You want the first bite? Okay, there you go. What do you think? Is it good? Is it good? Give them thumbs up if it's good. Good job. Say bye.
Bye.